Hi, I'm Andrew Schur, Solutions Director at Intellective. We're an nCino partner. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can improve your user productivity in nCino and save on storage costs using Unity. Unity for nCino gives your users access to all of your enterprise documents from multiple different content systems, IBM systems like FileNet, Box, SharePoint, OpenText, and more, right from within nCino, instead of going back and forth between nCino and other applications. It also cuts your storage costs by archiving nCino documents to external, less expensive content repositories, while also making them instantly accessible to your other enterprise applications. Let's see how it works. So nCino is your bank operating system, but you also have relevant documents in other systems. Unity for nCino automatically shows you those documents right from your nCino loans, relationships, and more. So I have a loan open in my nCino system. I can see my normal documents under Document Manager, but what about related documents in other systems like SharePoint, Box, FileNet, or other ECMs? Let's click on my Unity Documents tab. Without leaving nCino, Unity shows me all documents related to this loan, regardless of what system they live in. This document, for example, is related to the loan. But I can open it right from nCino. So maybe this lives in SharePoint, lives in FileNet, lives in Box, but I can see it from my nCino screen. I can also filter down to see a subset of the documents that are here. I can update document metadata. I can add new documents. And I can do all of this from nCino, even though this document lives somewhere else. So I don't need to pull up 2 or 3 different document repositories, run the same search over and over. Unity for nCino automatically shows me all the relevant documents with no extra steps. And this is a true enterprise search. Any document related to anything in nCino living in any of my document repositories. So what else does Unity for nCino give you? Well, cloud storage is expensive and you have other enterprise content management and line of business systems. What if you could keep using nCino but store content in your own systems? With Unity, it happens automatically. So let me show you. I'm going to go to Document Manager. I'm in Document Manager on this loan. I have a few documents that I've added as placeholders here if I expand them. So I'll go ahead and open one of these documents. So here's my document, but this document's content doesn't actually live in nCino. It's stored in an enterprise content management system in my environment. Could be SharePoint, could be OpenText, could be something else. So Unity for nCino automatically moved the content into my ECM system. It looks the same to me, but I'm no longer paying to store this file in the more expensive cloud storage. So if I have gigabytes or terabytes of documents, that can be a significant cost savings. Also, while I have full access to these documents in nCino, because they're in my enterprise system, I can apply governance or retention rules to them, and I can expose them easily to my other enterprise applications. So I just showed you how Unity for nCino improves user productivity by enabling users to search, view, transact within nCino on all relevant documents, regardless of where they're stored in your enterprise, instead of going back and forth between various applications. I also showed you how Unity for nCino saves you money by storing nCino content on other less expensive content repositories. So if you have these challenges, reach out to us at intellective.com to get started with Unity for nCino.